Welcome to Session 4 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study composition and inverse basics. The focus is to compose functions and reverse input-output relationships. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Compose inside first, outside second. 2. Compare f of g of x and g of f of x. 3. Build a basic inverse function. Composition means one function hands its output to another function. Order matters. F of g of x usually does not equal g of f of x. Always simplify the inside function first, then substitute that entire result into the outside function. Let f of x equal 2x minus 5 and g of x equal x squared plus 1. For f of g of x, substitute x squared plus 1 into f, giving 2x squared minus 3. For g of f of x, square the entire expression 2x minus 5, then add 1. The two results are different because the order is different. For an inverse, reverse input and output, let h of x equal 3x plus 4. Write y equals 3x plus 4, swap x and y, and solve for y. The inverse is x minus 4 all over 3. A quick check gives h of h inverse of x equals x. Your turn. If f of x equals x plus 2 and g of x equals 5x, what is f of g of 3? Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these three tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write one error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Composition is an input-output chain. The inside function goes first. Inverse functions reverse the chain. Swap x and y, then solve for y. Before moving on, write one sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.